Hi, I'm going to teach you how to log on and use Castle Learning. So, as always, we start in Life Skills Study Hall. Links for home. Today you're going to go to Castle Learning. Then expand. Okay. So, this ID is going to be a little bit different. Okay. Today you're going to type in swcsd dot, then your normal username, and then your password is the same password you use to log in to the computer, and you're going to hit sign in. There you go. So when you get in here to Castle Learning, there are different assignments and notifications, okay? So if you click on incomplete assignments, it's going to show you my name. You're going to click that. And then your assignments are going to come up here. So for example, this is an assignment. And you would click that. Now, the nice thing about this is you can listen to it.
Add 8 plus 9 equals.
And you would put the answer in, 17. Then it shows you why.
Reason.
There are 8 flamingos plus 7 more is equal to 17. Then it tells you addition and add, so to give you some more vocabulary. Okay? After you're done with that, you hit correct again. Sorry, or new question. Sorry. And this says 5 plus 9 equals 14. So what does 9 plus 5 equal? Well, it equals 14 because it's just the opposite numbers. One's in front, one's in back, and then they switch. Submit. It shows you the answer and shows you the reason. Then you click next question. Okay? And that's how you continue to use that. So, let's just go back here and show you again that if you go to the links for home, under Castle Learning, it tells you what your password would be. Okay? And that's it for that.